simple problem in integration applications. Find the area of the region bounded by the ellipse x squared by 4 plus y squared by 9 equal to 1. So when you look at this problem, there's no hint of integration. So one has to be very careful. So how do you know? So this is exactly the application of integration, that the main use of integration is to find area of regions in unusual shapes where we know the equation. So this is exactly an application of that. So obviously there are 4 options given. Let's get to the answer. So an ellipse, so it's said in the problem itself, it's an ellipse. An ellipse, if you know, is going to be symmetrical, right? With respect to the origin. So what we should first immediately think that, oh, you want area. So either there's a standard formula, like, for rectangle or triangle or something like that, or you have to start thinking integration if you know the equation of the curve. So here the integration is, if it is an ellipse, then we basically, you see the equation given, x squared by 4 plus y squared by 9. You can write it as y equal to 1 minus x squared by 4 and 9 you take up. So 9 square, and then y equal to square root of the whole thing. So you'll get 3 times square root of 1 minus x squared by 4. So that's a standard thing. So you can either look at it from the equation, or you remember the standard formula that for an ellipse, 1/4 of that is where the x equal to a is where the ellipse cuts the x-axis, right? So 0 to a square root of 1 minus x squared by a squared, you'll see it in the diagram. So in this figure, it's very clear. So 2, 0, that's where it cuts it. So that, and when you look at the diagram, you know that you can take 1/4 and then multiply it by 4. So that's what we will do, because an ellipse is symmetrical, right, about the x and y axis. So we're going to just take between x equal to 0 and x equal to 2, and we'll find the value. So it's 4 times 3 by 2 square root of 4 minus x squared. The next formula to remember is exactly that square root of a square minus x square. You need to know this formula also. You can try different ways to get it, but it involves a lot more. Rather you mug this formula. When you do that, you'll get it as x by 2 times square root of a square minus x square plus x by 2 sine inverse of x by 2, and then you apply the limits. So this is a standard formula to do. And when you apply the limits, you're going to substitute and see. So you're going to get that, and you will see that the answer will end up with 2 pi by 2 times 6, which is 6 pi square units. Hence the required area is 6 pi square units. One of the choices was given, so which is A, option A.